How do you remove inquiries? So I have my inquiry removal that you guys can definitely get. But it's very simple on how you can remove inquiries. You can send them a letter, or you can try this trick that usually is going to get your inquiries removed within 12 to 24 hours. But like I said too, I have that down below. Go ahead and check it out. Now, this is the thing when it comes down to removing inquiries, because I kind of went over it with you guys earlier. If that account, say if you want to remove your Navy Fed inquiry from your credit reports, or I don't even want to say Navy Fed because I want y'all to just leave them alone. Let that inquiry sit, just leave them alone. So if you have like Capital One, right? You have got approved for a Capital One credit card and they approve you for the Capital One account. If that Capital One account is added to your credit reports and you got the hard inquiry, you try to remove that hard inquiry from your credit reports, they're going to try to remove that Capital One account from your credit reports too. They're going to remove the hard inquiry and that account from your credit report. So if you have an account on your credit reports with that hard inquiry and the account is positive and you want to keep that account, do not dispute that hard inquiry. It's best to dispute hard inquiries when you first get them. That's just something I want to let you guys know, because sometimes, you finally get an account that you really want. You got approved for a $10,000 credit card and you go ahead and dispute that inquiry and that account is on your credit reports. And you most likely going to see that inquiry get removed from your credit reports, but you're going to see that account get removed too. And I know you're going to be so sad when that happens. So if you have an account on your credit reports and that inquiry is there too, just leave it alone. But like I said too, go ahead. I have the free letter. I believe I have that. If you part of exclusive membership, you already have that letter. Like, you should definitely have that letter. And also, I'll have it down below if this is YouTube.